Hey there! In this lesson, I'll teach you all about pathfinding in a simple way. Let's jump into Unity and set up our objects. We'll start by creating scripts, beginning with a cell. First, we'll add two enums to control how that cell behaves. Then, we'll fill in the key fields, so that cell can store info, and add three methods. One to set up the starting data, one to block and change that cell's type, and one to draw and update its color. Next, we'll move to the grid script. We'll add the grid data and show it in the wake function. In that method, we'll spawn all dead cells using two for loops. We'll also add two methods, one to find that cell's neighbors and one to reset that cell's info. In the pathfinding script, we'll link into our grid and write the main method to go through all the needed cells. Then, we'll add the methods to process and color those cells. In the controller script, we'll simulate the pathfinding. It's easy, just shoot a ray, find a cell, color it, and hit the E key to clear the cell data for testing. Back in Unity, we'll test the scripts. Everything works smoothly. You'll find a link to the scripts with full details in the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.